You want to change the way QGIS looks for you. That's what we're going to do in this lecture. So changing the looks in QGIS. So basically you go to settings and you come down to options. Now on the options, we first and foremost we have, you go to the general. So on the general we have this override system locale. So if I click check on this, this will allow me to change the user interface language translation. So I want it in English, I want it in Portuguese or in Romani or in Dutch or any of the language. I can switch this and it will automatically change everything to that side. The locale, whether it's a number, date or currency, you change it here and you have the same effect. Now coming down to application, this is where you can change the style, but you have to restart the system, the QGIS, for you to be able, for the style to be shown. So we have three styles here. We have the Fusion, we have the Windows and the Windows Vista. Then under the user interface theme, it's currently on default, but you can change it to blend of gray or night mapping. So anyone you change among these two, it will require you to restart the software. The font, the icon size, all of them require a switch in. Until the software is restarted, it will not take effect. So let's say I increase the font to 15 and I increase the icon size to 48. Now you can see though the icon size automatically increase. If I reduce to 32, you see, if I reduce back to 24, this is how it was before. So, but the rest, you can see the font requires restart. So under the project files, we have where you open QGIS, what should be seen? They say welcome page, that's what is there. We have most recent, we have specific, and we have new. So anyone that you preferred, you can go with it. Let's say I preferred new. So anytime I open QGIS, I will see a blank new workspace or project space. But if I prefer to use most recent or specific and specify what I need, then whenever you launch QGIS, that is what you will see. So let's leave it at new. So this, if you come down to colors, this gives you the standard colors that you will see in QGIS. So I can come and say, okay, it has arranged them. We have the recent colors, the standard colors, the project color, and the new layer colors. So you can see all of them. You don't really need to change this, but you just need to know it. Alright, just for the sake of you knowing. So when you come to layout, basically that is when you want to produce the map, basically the layout where you produce the map. Now the default font is this Pepsi, so you can change it to the one that you want. And then the grid style is dot, we have solid, we have crosses. So anything you change here, the grid color is just that. So you change any one that you're interested in. And anything you change here becomes like your default options that you've set. So you can go through all of it, the Python, cursor, the code editor, processing, all of this, just go through them. Elevation, you can change the background colors here. Let's say I wanted this color. Click on OK. So you can change the background color of the elevation, and then the 3D, whether it's a perspective view or an octagonal view. Alright, so the field of view as well, we want to make it whichever angle, the movement, speed, and all of that. So whatever you change becomes your digitizing. You also change all of this. So you just go through it. This is how you can go through your entire QGIS files and then change how it looks depending on your preferences. So like I said, some of them will require you to restart the QGIS first, and when you come back, you will see that everything you've done has been changed. So this is how you can change how QGIS looks for you.